Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create fake multiple camera effects in Premiere Pro. I'm going to be showing you how to turn one camera angle into 4 camera angles. In this video, you're going to learn how to turn your 1 camera footage into a 4 camera footage lookalike. So this works well on stationary clips, usually something on a tripod where you just have our basic frame, not much zooming in or zooming out. What you want to do is locate moments where you want to cut in or crop in, and let's create a cut on that moment. So I'm going to hit C on my keyboard to activate my cut tool. Alternatively, you can come over to your toolbar and activate your razor tool over here. So I'm going to place a cut over here and place another cut over here. I also place a cut here, here, here and here. So these are moments in my clip where I want to change my camera angles. Next, I'll hit my V to activate my select tool, or you can come over here and hit on select tool over here. So basically, if I select this clip and I scale in, it's going to scale in and scale out, but it might not scale into the angle where you want it to be. So simply increasing the scale will just increase the scale into the middle point, which sometimes isn't what we want, because we might be losing out on the main portion or angles of the clip that we are trying to zoom into. So in that case, we can adjust the X and Y position in the effects control panel, and it's always nice to shoot at a high resolution because that way you'll be able to keep your original quality. So at this point now, if I scroll back, you would see that we have already changed the angle and it's already looking like we are using multiple cameras. I can decide at this point over here to leave this clip exactly the way it is, come over to my clip 2 where she's picking this file, and I'll want to focus on her hand portion over here where she's picking this. So I'll come over to my X value. I'm going to increase the scale also. So next I'm going to move over to the next clip over here, and because I want to make it look like a different camera, I'm going to increase the scale also, and I'm going to change the angle a little bit. So I'm going to move it to the left. Now I want to get her face and the mic. I'll also adjust the Y value, and there we have it. We have a different angle over here, so it switches to another angle over here. So lastly, I can decide to change this last angle to a close-up of her face. So I will scale this once more. And now we have a close-up of her face. So if I take it now to the beginning, you can see how many angles we have created. Let me go ahead and render this. And a quick preview, guys. And as you can see, we have successfully turned one camera into a fake 4 to 5 camera angles look-alike. So definitely not the most advanced editing technique in the world, but it's easy and effective. It adds a little bit more interest when you have a long static shot and you don't want to lose the interest of the viewers. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video and have a lovely day.